If you are wondering if we have HyperOS 3 on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, then the answer is unfortunately no, at least right now as I am recording this video. We still have HyperOS 2, as you can see for example over here or in here in the OS version. So for some reason, despite these phones being completely new as I'm recording them, so it is almost 2026, just a couple of days short until 2026, we still got Android 15 and HyperOS 2 on new Xiaomi and Redmi smartphones, which is kind of a shame, but of course this can also depend when you are watching this video, because surely we should get HyperOS 3 at some point, and yeah, we just have to wait for it, users that of course have Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus just have to wait for HyperOS 3. Maybe when you are watching this video, the HyperOS 3 is already available, but as you can see right now, it is not. Subscribe to my channel.